everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to apply eyeliner perfectly. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. So I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Bold Eyeliner. It's a liquid eyeliner. So I'm just gonna start from middle of my eyes. Then start from the corner of your eyes. And drag it towards the end. Make sure there are no gaps between the liner and the lash line. Now I am curling my lashes with the curler. Colossal waterproof mascara. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you soon. Bye.